Hi guys, this Jazz from Oasis Demis. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be showing us how to mask our text and our image. Simply put, how to put your text behind your image in Photoshop. If you are not yet a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe and hit on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new tutorials. Without further ado, journey with me. So this is the image you'll be working with. This is Steve Curry, a professional basketball player. So what we want to achieve here is to put our text behind the picture. So now I actually want to play with my background in such a way that I will retain this background without downloading another background, and I'll be able to put my text behind my image. Yeah, just journey with me. You will really enjoy this. So this is my image. I'm going to drop the link to this image in the exercise file, or you can go online and download something similar. So the first thing I'm going to do is to type my text. So let's say I want to type Steve. Yeah, I'm going to change this to white with the text panel. If your text panel is not activated, there is a simple way to activate that. You come to your windows and look for character. So this is the character. Once you click, it will be activated here. So Steve, I'm going to hit Ctrl+C to transform and increase the size of my text. Now I'm going to just press Ctrl+J to duplicate. I'll type something else again, just like that. Yes, just like this. Let me add one more text so that it will be 3. And this time around, Ctrl+J again. Call this baller. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this. Just simple adjustment. I'm adjusting with my arrow keys. All right, guys. I'm adjusting with my arrow keys. So now, what I want to achieve, if you notice, my text is already covering my image, and I actually want to retain this background. So I want to put this text behind my image. So the first thing I'm going to go do is to group this. I can press Ctrl+G or click and drag into this envelope here, this envelope side, to turn to group. Group 1, I'm going to name it text. I will off the visibility, unlock my layer, and I will come to select to make selection of the text. So select and then select subject. I'll wait for my Photoshop to load to make the selection. Just few more seconds. Yeah, you are kindly zoom in to ensure that your selection is perfect. So checking here now, I think the hand is perfect by me. The head, there is a particular part of the head that is not selected, so I will hit my lasso tool and press shift to add to the selection. If you notice, when I press shift, there is like a plus sign beside the symbol. So just click once to make the selection and go back to your origin. So if you cannot locate your origin, just press enter. The selection will be perfect on its own. So I think I'm okay with what I have for now. Yeah, I can work with what I have. At the leg here, I will press shift again to just like that. And yeah, okay, so I'm good to go with my selection. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will on the visibility of my selection, and I will click on the layer that I want to mask. So after this, I will come to this symbol here and I will click once. So once I click once, I will have a mask of my text inside my image. So what I'm going to do is I will invert this selection by pressing Ctrl-I. Yes, just like that. Can you see? We now have our text behind our image. So that's one method of achieving this. Now, let's try another method. So I'm going to do Ctrl-Z to undo. So now that I have my selection, I'm going to press Ctrl-J or any of my selection tool, let's say the lasso tool, and I will copy my layer, drop the tool, and I will drag this on top of the text layer, and I will on the visibility. Just like that. Simple as ABC. So let's make this look real, create more drama to it, and I will make selection on this picture by hitting Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. I will create a new layer, and this layer I'm going to fill it with black background, which is my background. I press Alt and then backspace to do this. I will come to my filter and then blur and hit Gaussian blur. So I will leave it at 25. I will drag this and drop it behind the main image. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to change the position and then reduce the opacity. Now, what I'm trying to do is I'm actually just trying to create more drama to this so that it will look more real. So this is it without the shadow and this is it with the shadow. If you notice, there is more life to this poster. And with this, we already have our results. I believe you already have depth of what I'm trying to explain here. And I believe we are already enlightened on how to do something like this. Try to apply this into your next project and see how it works. Please do make sure you like and leave a comment. And if you have further questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Until next time, see you at the top. Cheers.